and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install a yoga swing using an exposed beam. The beam that I have here is concrete, so I'm absolutely sure that it will take my weight. If you're using a wooden beam, make sure you check for wood rot, termites or anything else that might make it weak. So here we go. First strap. Really simple. Over the top of the beam. And then just simply thread it through the last loop on the strap. Now, if your beam has rough edges, you may want to put a piece of cloth under there to stop the strap from fraying. Always check your equipment for damage. Now you want your straps to be about 50 to 80 centimetres apart. I'm not using a tape measure, I'm just going to guess. Same thing again. Over the top of the beam. And then just thread the end through the last strap. That's it. Now you need a minimum of 1 metre in each direction so that you can move properly on the swing. And obviously the more space you've got, the better it's going to be. Now here we go, this is one of the handles. This strap's got loops in here all the way up and it's double stitched. Stainless steel hook. Nice and simple, just hooks through there. Same thing on the other side. And then for our hammock or sling, a little bit nice and high. Now notice I haven't got the handle and the hammock hanging on the same one. You can if you want to, you don't have to. It really depends on what exercise you're doing. It's fully adjustable, so it will fit any height. That's actually quite high. If I was going to do inversion, I'd probably put it down one. Right there. Down on each side. Yeah. So it should, if you're going to do inversion, it should come just below your bum. And there you have it, one yoga swing, ready to use.